Jatend piny William Ruto oyawo ayanga chenro mar chiwo tiegruok kata internship ewi tije mag ute ma nengogi ogonyore. Chenro ni biro chiwo tiegruok ne midusa maromo 4,000 kama oting'o jagor udi, jopimo e kind mamoko. Jogo manoyuore nyasino noting'o jatend migawo malo kod ute Alice Wahome, jagoro mongirore mochung'ne ute Charles Singa kod nyawadgi mochung'ne tije piny owacho Joel Arumonyang'.
Work that we have today has overstretched many of the companies that are working with us. That's number one. Number two, we want to bring on board another 4,000 professionals into this space. Young graduates from our TVETs, from our universities, to work with you and your firms and work with us so that we can scale up the level of supervision, scale up and accelerate the work that we want to achieve in the affordable housing program, because we believe that it is possible for us to do what could be done in 2 years, we can do it in 1.5 years. And what could be done in 1.5 years, we can reduce it to 1 year, so that we can accelerate the delivery of the affordable housing program, of our markets, of our hostel program, and all the other programs that are